Hey everyone, today I'm walking you through how to sync multiple Google Drive accounts on your PC. Yeah, this is the new 2025 update that finally makes it super easy. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need the newest version of Drive for Desktop. If you already have it installed, make sure it's updated. The multi-account sync only works on the latest build. Once the app opens, sign in with your primary Google account. This first one becomes your default, so just pick the one you use the most. Now here's the new part. In the Drive for Desktop menu, click the gear icon, then choose Add another account. Google finally lets you add multiple accounts without weird workarounds, which is nice, you know? Sign into your second Google account the same way. You can repeat this for as many accounts as you need: work, school, personal, whatever. Next, choose which folders you want synced from each account. This is super helpful if you don't want everything downloading to your computer. Just pick the folders you need, and yeah, you can adjust this later. After syncing, open File Explorer. You'll see each Google Drive listed separately, each with its own label. It keeps everything clean and easy to find. No more mixing work and personal files. And just so you know, you can always update which folders sync or even pause syncing from the settings menu. So if you're changing projects or just need more space, uh, it's simple. And that's it. Your PC can now sync multiple Google Drive accounts. Finally, if this helped, feel free to drop a like or save it for later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.